And wow, that case goes on very, very gracefully. Talk about an easy install process right there. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, computers, tablets, cases, tech accessories, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is the Urban Armor Gear, otherwise known as UAG, dot case for none other than my beautiful 2021 16-inch M1 Pro MacBook Pro right here. Now, before we start getting this case out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to UAG for sending this case out to me for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, UAG. I do appreciate it. And without further ado, let's start getting this guy out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. And as you can see, first impressions, it has a massive cutout so we can actually see and touch the case itself right here. Over here, you know what, we can actually turn it around. It says U by UAG dot MacBook Pro 16-inch 2021. So that's gonna be your M1 Pro or M1 Max MacBook Pro. That was released in 2021 for the 16-inch version. I have the M1 Pro. Now, over here on the back, it says strong is beautiful, designed with intent, made for protection, empowering you to go further. I think all that sounds pretty cool. We've got some sort of graphics of the case on the MacBook Pros. You can tell it is the 2021 16-inch model because SD card slot, USB-C port, HDMI port, all the awesome ports are back. I love this computer. And yeah, anyway, you know what? Let's just open up this box and let's start seeing what this case is about. So first things first, we can go ahead and, ooh, magnets in the box. That is cool. We can go ahead and I guess open it up this way and then wow, talk about an easy unboxing experience. Now it is out of the box and here is the actual case itself. So now we can go ahead and just open up the case and we've got this little filler right here. We can put this to the side, some styrofoam or something. And I mean, this is a big case. It makes sense because it's for a big computer, but wow, look at this. We've got some cushions right here for the feet, the little feet of the computer. We've got a cutout right here for the left-hand ports, and we got a cutout right here for the right-hand ports. And another thing I'm noticing that's pretty interesting is both of the pieces of this case are connected right here. Can you guys see this? They are connected, which is pretty unique actually, because all the other laptop cases I've had, the two pieces are separate. So that's kind of cool. And yeah, over here, we got a little U logo for UAG. Over here on the bottom, let's see, do we have anything interesting? Not really, just the feet and also cutouts for the vents on the bottom of the MacBook Pro right there for air circulation. So yeah, anyway, let's just get this guy on my MacBook Pro. So let's just go ahead and get started. We can place my MacBook Pro into the case right here on the bottom. And okay, now we can click it into place. And then over here, let's place the top half of the case onto the actual display of the computer right here and click it into place. And wow, that case goes on very, very gracefully. Talk about an easy install process right there. And boom, now it is on my computer. Check this out. So with the case on, you can see that we still retain access, obviously, to all the awesome ports on this computer. The MagSafe, USB-C, which I'm currently using, another USB-C, and a headphone jack. And over here, same thing on the other side, the HDMI, USB-C, and SD card slot. So that makes perfect sense right there. And I'm also noticing this computer with this case on definitely feels thick and heavy. I mean, it is a massive beast of a laptop anyway without a case on, so that does make sense once you put one on. But one thing I did test out though is I actually put this computer in this case inside my Native Union laptop sleeve for 16-inch laptops right here. I have a separate unboxing video about this. I'll have a link to that down in the description if you guys want to watch that. And basically, obviously, this computer fits in the sleeve without the case on, but it also fits in the sleeve, albeit snugly, with the case on. So that is very nice right there. With a case and a sleeve on this computer, that makes me feel like it's going to definitely be protected when I throw it in a backpack to travel with it. So that is pretty cool right there. And I've got to say, like, again, this is a heavy computer. Me holding it up like this with one hand is actually hurting my arm. Now, I'm not the strongest person in the world, but That's got to be saying something. Another thing too, this flap right here that connects the two pieces of the case, another added benefit of it is when you're holding the laptop in your hand, it provides a sort of soft place on your hand to hold the laptop instead of like hard metal or hard plastic like the rest of the case. So that is kind of cool. And it also adds some protection for the hinge, because otherwise, if these two pieces weren't connected, there would be nothing covering part of the hinge when the laptop is closed. So that is kind of interesting right there, that this piece kind of does have some functionality, at least in my opinion. But yeah, anyway, folks, with that, that'll be all for this video about this UAG dot case for my beautiful, fantastic, absolutely amazing 16-inch 2021 M1 Pro MacBook Pro right here. If you guys want this case for yourself, it'll set you back about $60. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have it for yourselves? Let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye. And I gotta put this computer down. It's getting heavy. Bye, guys.